The Bible seems to be composed over thousands of years by multiple different authors. Not only that, there seems to be a big gap between the prophet Malachi in the Old Testament and the New Testament. And what was in and out of the Bible as a book wasn't settled until much later. How can we trust the Bible? Tingin mo. Ano pwede na sagot? Ikaw, di ka naman naniniwala sa
Wala no religion.
tao walang religion. Ang masasabi ko about the Bible, we can trust the original text. The Bible has been translated so many times. Pero magandang i-trust yung translation kasi di ka naman marunong sa Hebrew, di ka naman marunong sa Greek. Ang Old Testament was written in the original text of Hebrew. Tapos, ang New Testament was written in the original text niyan, Greek. So, Hebrew and Greek yan. So, dapat ang kukunin mong translation is yung tamang translation galing sa Hebrew or Greek. Kasi pagka gumawa ka naman ng ibang translation, syempre kailangan i-research mo din kung paano nila tin-translate. Like, for example, pag tinranslate nila from Hebrew, English, and then Tagalog, mahirap yun kasi
Iba-iba na.
ang ano ko, I trust the message of God rather than just trusting on what you read. Paano mo sabi? Kapag magbasa ka, alamin mo yung message ni God.
Intindihin mo po yung mismong nakasulat.
Oo, intindihin mo yung context, intindihin mo yung history, at alamin mo kung totoo ba yung binabasa mo o hindi.